Alright guys, we just got here and we're gonna be doing exhaust on his bike. We're gonna go somewhere else, install the exhaust. I got one in here, he got one in there. Let's get on to it. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll show you guys how the exhaust looks right now. Alright, so this is the stock exhaust. The last owner did drop it, as you can see right there.
It was actually not me.
Nah, it wasn't him. He has new box exhaust in there. I got one in my bag, so we're gonna head over and get the bad bitch installed. Alright guys, we're gonna get that before start up. It's a warm start because we just rode, obviously. Yeah, he's gonna start that bad boy up.
We're in neutral. No.
Give it a couple reds. Alright guys, we just got here. We're gonna install the new exhaust. We just got right here. We're gonna open up the exhaust and then I'll get back to you guys to show you guys the exhaust we got. Alright guys, this is how the system looks. So we're gonna try to figure out and try to get these on here and see if we can get some stuff going here. I'm gonna have to just, there's a little weld right there, so I don't know, we'll figure out how we're gonna get this, because this side might work, but I don't know about the other side, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're heading to the mechanic shop, to my homie's shop, to go install an exhaust. To install a new exhaust on my boy Caden's bike, because we got mufflers, slip-ons for it, but couldn't put them on because I had to do some welding. So my boy is good at welding. We're gonna take it to him. He's gonna figure it out for us and get him a nice sounding exhaust on that damn thing. So yeah, please, if you guys know the deal, like, subscribe, and comment. On the road to 10K by the end of the year. We're on track. That's all I know. So yeah, we're on track to get there. So let's get there. I thought tinted plate cover on the Camry. On the motherfucking Camry. Got my wallet. Alright. I don't see nothing leaking so far, but we'll see, I guess. There, so yeah, so it should be pretty dope, should be pretty lit. Hopefully he's there because he was running errands or something earlier, so I'm just hoping that my boy's there, but we'll see, I guess. I know the road's coming up. I always fucking miss it though. I think it is right here. Right here. Oh my, I did miss it. We'll turn around though. I always fucking miss it, I swear to God. Bumpy. We're almost there, so it should be pretty dope. We're about here. I hope he's here. There it is. It was good. Look at that shit.
It's not entirely perfect, but enough. My big thing is jump up and down on your suspension.
I can mess with it probably more.
It is hitting it, but not much.
Nah.
If you absolutely need to, bro, I would probably.
I start it.